Let's accept it. We are living in the world of rivals and competitions. Be it scoring the highest in school test or making it first to cross the finish line. Everyone wants to be the winner. More importantly, better than their competitors. And this is true for every social media too. Consider it as the biggest irony that even after being a platform for social networking and belongingness, social media is marred by competition and rivals. The urge to be superior to competitors is even high, thus, keeping a close eye on the competitor has become a crucial part of every brand. What is competition analysis? Competition analysis is the study of how businesses compete against each other and how they can improve their product and service to ensure that they are not losing out. It tells you how a market is structured and how that affects the ability to compete. It's also an important tool for understanding how you can compete in given market because it tells you what your competitors are doing and what they aren't doing. When you are looking at your own business, competition analysis can help you determine how to make your product or service better and more appealing to the market than what you want to serve. It can also help you identify areas where your competitors are missing out or an opportunity so you can make sure that you are capitalizing on it. Like all other social media platforms, you must consider LinkedIn too for competition analysis. You can do this by looking at where your competitors are and how they are doing, as well as their main competitors, who they are competing with, and what they offer. By looking at LinkedIn's competition, you can identify which one have similar product or service. You can also see what they offer that is not available through LinkedIn itself. This information will give you insight into how you can best position yourself in that industry on LinkedIn competition analysis on LinkedIn. You can conduct your LinkedIn competition analysis. All you need is company page. Open your company page. At the top of that, you will see a belt with different options with home, product, content, analytics, and activity. Click on analytics. This will give you different options as visitors, updates, followers, competitors, and leads. These are all the areas you can have analytics on. These analytics are generated by LinkedIn, which you can make use for the purpose. Click on competitors. Next page shows up the analytics of you and your competitor. Here you can see follower matrices, organic follower matrices. The list shows your competitors and they rank according to the number of followers and the number of new followers they have gained. You can check the list to see where you stand among your followers. You can scroll a little down. You will see the matrices for engagement in your page and your followers. This will help you in knowing your page's performance and engagement as compared to others. Now, how do these metrics help you? When you look at these metrics, you will be easily able to conclude which page among the list is doing well. If your page stands first in the list, then congratulations. But if not, you can go deep through your competition page and analysis that what type of content they are posting and how they are generating engagement through it. Look for the keywords, the type of post they are posting regularly, call to action, their interaction with the audiences. All this data will help you compare your profile with your competitors. Make sure you get your strategy ready. Try to take inspiration from your competitors, not just copy paste the idea entirely. Adding a relevant touch to something which is liked by the audience will give you an edge over your competitors. Your primary goal must be to get a significant position among your competitors, and once you achieve it, make sure you go consistent with it. I hope this lecture will help you gain an extra point over your competitors and analyze your competition well, and you are all set to compete with them and win.